What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1955 Bel Air. Has a built small block 350 under the hood. Pretty slick car all the way around. You want to see close to 100 detailed pictures of it? Check out maplemotors.com. Also got financing and shipping information on that website. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. I post classic muscle cars every single day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna glance around the interior, gotta check everything out. It looks nice in here. Everything seems like it's taken care of. The seat's in great condition, the headliner looks good. Go ahead and take your poll. Do you think the horn works or not? We'll go ahead and try everything else, get it started up. We'll turn the key on. This car is pretty loud, so we'll go over some stuff. The radio is really quiet, it's coming out of there. So, probably need to upgrade that. We got a couple switches under the dash. The one on the left here is for your electric fans. It's got 2 extra electric fans on the inside of the radiator by the grill. And this side is a kill switch for your ignition. Couldn't get none of the inside air to work, so we're gonna say that doesn't work at all. Our gauges are coming up. You'll see the oil pressure jump up. Volt's not working, but the water temperature is working. Our PM gauge isn't working as well. Gas gauge, it does look like it's floating around. I don't know if it's 100% correct. Wipers, no wipers on this one. You'll have to get that fixed. They're on here, but the switch feels like it's just kind of loose spinning around in the hole here. I'll go ahead and try the horn. There's a button over here. Usually that would be for a horn, and it's not working either, and the horn itself's not working. Go ahead and start it up here. Oh, look, I already forgot. You got to hit this switch under here. It starts right up. All right. Let's take off down the road, see what this thing can do. Go ahead and put my seat belt on in this one. Just a lap belt. Yeah, get the vent window open here. Check it out. One of my favorite things about the old cars. They should have those in new cars. Blows air right up your pant leg. This thing feels really peppy. I have a good feeling it's going to be pretty fast. Just try not to get pulled over. Definitely loud, sounds good. Steering's got a little bit of slack. See that right there? It turns there and it turns there. A little bit of slack. Sounds great. Kick down is not hooked up. The brakes are decent. They're drum brakes. You can stand on them, stop as fast as you want. It's still drum brakes. They feel good for what they are. They're set up right. Hit the back road there, I'll start shifting up through the gears. This is a B&M shifter. I'm very familiar with it, so. Gas gauge is floating around. It's a really good indication that it's working. It's coming from 3/4 of a tank down to below a half. Alright, we're gonna pull up in the gas station here. Make a little pit stop. Big old steering wheel. Fun stuff. Our engine temperature, we've had this thing running for a little while. I was gonna mention the turn signals too. Both of them are cutting on the dash. It's give me a good indication that they're working. I can't hear them. It's super loud in this car, so but our engine temp hasn't went over 200. It's been going back down to 180 once we start driving, and it's not even at 200 right now, so it's in a good range. Oil pressure about 35, and when I get on it, man, it shoots up 55, 60. Good oil pressure. All right, keep rolling. Got y'all set up in here. Seems like the idle's a bit high when you're in neutral. I don't know. Sitting right at 200. We've been riding around the parking lot for a while. Oil pressure's still at 30. You can pull it down. The idle goes down just fine. It's just when we're in idle in the parking lot. Sorry if I'm looking around too much. I'm still getting used to this head cam, but I'm trying to be safe while driving. So I gotta look at all directions, make sure nobody pulls out in front of me and stuff. I just figured I'd give you a little bit of a clip of a virtual drive, and then I'll stick you back in the window like I normally do. We'll go ahead and pull it down here, and we'll run it. Shifted through the gears pretty good. I didn't want to mat it because there's always police sitting at those two churches hiding back off in the corner. Keep putting the turn signals on left and right. Real touchy on the turn signal. There's like a medium there, but there's no in-between click. It's just one solid. Turn signal probably needs a little bit of work. This thing sounds awesome. Really fast too. I'm surprised. It feels great. All right, let me get y'all set back up in the window here. I'll pull over to the side of the road. Suspension's pretty nice on this too. We went down a big hill just there. All right, got all the windows up, got you set up. Big bump in the middle of the road right here. It actually took it pretty well. Didn't have a whole lot of room to get on it there. Truck's in the way, people right in front of me, so. It just feels good. It feels like it's got a lot of power. You get up and go for as heavy of a car this is. The engine temp's still good. It got up to about 210 now, but I've been playing around with it, so it should cool back off fairly quick, especially driving down the road. It is 90, at least 92 or 93 today here in Tennessee. It's pretty warm. That's why I'm not liking this red light right now, because I don't have any of the windows down in this car. There we go. Get the change now. dice. Got to roll with the dice. Coming up through Brian Hayes' parking lot. He's got a place called Brian's Motorsports. Customizes trucks, cars, everything, you know it. He's doing it. There's his dad right there. Oh, you putting some brick on the building. As you can see, he's always working on stuff. If you buy a car from us, you can get wheels and tires from this guy as well. He's always got something cool going on, especially with these lifted Jeeps, lifted trucks, all that good stuff going on here. What's up, Brian? He's over there on his phone doing stuff, texting his wife or something, I don't know. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. Tell you what, this big steering wheel's coming in handy, only using one hand right now. Gotta whip it around. Coming up on the lot. Gonna pull back in here. I got another 2 test drives to do today, and it is getting late, so I need to hurry up and get them done. We'll try to get around this guy that blocked our entrance here. And pull up in the middle. This car goes back on the front row, so. I do appreciate you taking this test drive with me. This car is pretty fun to drive around. Definitely check out the walk around video, give you some undercarriage shots, point out any kind of flaws that I see on this car. I want you to see both of those before you drive up here so you know exactly what kind of car you're coming to get. Hit up maplemotors.com. That's my website. If you're on YouTube, that's just a source that we have. We have those for entertainment videos. We have those for description videos. It sells a lot of cars. People know what they're buying. But definitely go to maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory up here. We buy about 10, 15 cars a week. So you can also get financing information. We can ship these cars anywhere in the US. Hit that subscribe button, see all the videos that pop up daily. And thanks again for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.